Hey, Pierre Uderschel with Audi of America and high-performance driving instructor for the Audi Club and the Audi North Orlando Driving Group. We just finished a really awesome first day here providing skills training for the women in the pink group, providing skid pad exercises from emergency braking to slalom and threshold braking, and put it in all together in an autocross to get the women practiced up so they could go out on track for their first session, and completed an awesome first day with the help of this gentleman right here, Theodore.
Hey guys, my name is Theodore. I'm with Audi North Orlando, and today we were part of bringing a new structure to the PBOC events, which is our pink group. It's a way that we were able to introduce novice drivers that have been a part of these groups for years as a spectator, but now they're ready to get involved. And so that's part of what I was doing, was just structuring and making sure everybody was comfortable and confident in what they were doing, giving feedback. The launching been a little more fun?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Definitely.
Perfect. We're definitely in sport mode. We're definitely taking advantage of it now.
Yeah.
Very proud of you. All right, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, I'm Philip Wyatt. I'm with Audi of America also. I am the in-dealer trainer for Area 82, or the state of Florida and Puerto Rico, and I have been working with this group for 3 years now, and a couple of reasons to be here, not only to help these guys with the pink group and make sure that we can get that up and running to the success that's been just overwhelming today, encapsulated just before the rain fell tonight with a fantastic track session for that, but dual fold to work with the kids and the organization for these guys and base camp. And I have an extensive history with childhood cancer and adult cancer as well, so it was my pleasure to bring an e-tron GT that was a gift for the event from Audi of America and the marketing team in the southern region. So we were able to have this car at lunchtime today, driving 3 sets of children and their parents at the track. Just had a great time, smiles all round, thumbs up, and again, what a great event to be part of.